Take a ride in the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, HD radio, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.